Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LawGro step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for LawGro in the address bar. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the LawGro homepage loads, locate the Login button. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Make sure to check for any typos in your email address. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, review them for accuracy. If everything is correct, click the Login button. Wait a moment as your information is processed. Once logged in, you will be taken to your LawGro dashboard. You are now ready to use LawGro's features and tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.